Guys, I'm about to go to the gym. Hope everybody's doing well. Everybody woke up feeling great, feeling amazing, putting God first. And I'm like I said, I'm about to hit the gym, me and Big Daddy, guys. And before I hit the gym, guys, I gotta hit a live. Okay, I gotta take this live, guys. I've been taking live for a year now, and this been helping me. You know, it has a lot of antioxidant in it. But this live been helping me with my bone structure. I used to have them cracky bones. I don't know if y'all had them before. Like every time you move your knees, it's like you're like, So I used to have that. My hands used to get like sleepy. I want to say sleepy maybe. If you guys have like a little tingling feeling, it's also good for arthritis. I hope I'm saying it right. Arthritis, and it has a lot of benefits and supplements in this. It's all natural berries in this packet. But after I start taking this every day, you could take 1 or 2 a day for 30 days. This is a liquid gold, okay? Liquid gold. Liquid gold. I'm gonna keep you guys updated about this. I also sell this in my, I ain't gonna say storefront, but on my website at weglobal.jifu.com. So that's weglobal.jifu.com. And I want you guys to go out, check out my website, order these. It's a help for you guys and your family. You got your grandparents, you got your parents. Purchase these for your parents or your grandparents or yourself for healthy living. Try it out. So that website again is weglobal.jifu.com. Check out my website, guys. You would not regret it. Just open it up. But it says superfruit antioxidant blend. And this is the mixed berry. I'll show you guys what it kind of looked like on the inside. It's nothing but berry flavors. You guys can see that. Can't waste it, baby, because this is money, okay? Liquid gold for your health. Live a healthy life with Live. Let's live it together. Every morning. And it give you energy, guys. This give you energy as well. Since I'm going to the gym, I need all the energy. Like Big Daddy. He took his off camera. I was like, why? Wait. But he ready to go. So let's get it. I'm ready. Let's go. See you with your Live.